To use a Tremendous Visa card, start by understanding that it is a type of prepaid card that can be used to make purchases online or in person. The first step is to activate your card by following the instructions provided by the issuer, which typically involves going to the issuer's website or calling their customer service number. Once your card is activated, you can load funds onto it using a variety of methods, such as direct deposit, bank transfer, or mobile deposit. The funds will be available for use immediately after they are loaded. It is essential to keep track of your balance to avoid overdrafts or declined transactions. To make a purchase, simply swipe or insert your card at the point of sale, or enter the card details online. The merchant will request authorization for the transaction, and if the funds are available, the transaction will be approved. You can use your Tremendous Visa card anywhere that accepts Visa, which includes millions of merchants worldwide. When making online purchases, ensure that you are using a secure connection and that the website is legitimate to avoid any potential fraud. It is also crucial to keep your card details and PIN secure to prevent unauthorized access to your funds. To manage your account, you can log in to the issuer's website or mobile app to check your balance, view transaction history, and set up account alerts. This will help you stay on top of your spending and detect any suspicious activity. Best practices for using a Tremendous Visa card include regularly checking your account balance, keeping your card and PIN secure, and being aware of any fees associated with the card, such as loading fees or foreign transaction fees. By following these steps and guidelines, you can use your Tremendous Visa card safely and effectively to make purchases and manage your finances.